Yeah, I love it. Awesome. Almost wish I had a kitchen. I hear it.
Yeah, cool.
I love it.
Plain clover honey is one of them, but they also have lime, lemon, even some exotic flavors like pink lemonade.
Wow.
Sometimes the flavor of Courtney's soul is watermelon.
Alright, so can you tell us where we are?
We're at Pike's Place Market. On the right hand side we have fish, and you guys can't smell this at home, but let me tell you, it smells fishy. Something smells fishy.
How do you guys like the market so far?
It's really neat. There's a lot of art stuff down there.
Cool, very cool. Awesome. AJ, how do you feel about it?
I feel like it's pretty awesome. I like the musicians who are just kind of playing, and there's a woman down there who's selling ocarinas, and she has a book of the ocarinas from the Legend of Zelda game.
Wow.
I think that's pretty cool.
That's crazy. Well, should we get some fish or what?
Let's get some fish.
Alright, I'll catch it.
Fountain.